Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Today's recipe is real fruit gummy bear. I have made this using orange juice and set using Agar. If you're anxious about giving your kids healthy food options, homemade real fruit gummies are way to go. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 small oranges and peel their skin out. Put them in the blender and filter the juice using a strainer. We need filtered juice for the next step. Please discard the residue. Pour the juice into a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of Agar. Mix the Agar well and let it sit for 5 minutes. Heat the mixture on the medium flame until the Agar gets dissolved in the solution. Do not overboil. It would take just a couple of minutes. Switch off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Check the consistency. If you feel it is a little thick, then just add 1 or 2 teaspoons of water. It should be a free-flowing consistency. Pour the solution using a dropper into the mold. This dropper and mold is a set which is available on Amazon to buy. Pour the solution carefully. If you see any air bubbles, then pop them using a safety pin. Place this mold in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. The final step is popping them out. Gently press the mold using your fingers and pop the gummy bear out. We can make 50 gummies in the mold at once. See how cute they look. My 4-year-old loves these gummies. These gummy bear melt into your mouth into a luscious pool of flavor. Please give this recipe a try and let me know if your kiddo liked it. Please click on the subscribe button. For the detailed recipe, go on to homefoodbestfood.com. Thanks for watching.